Greetings everyone. I'm back with the tutorial 2. I hope you all have practiced well your guitar tuning with the help of guitar tuner. Right? So let's start with the fretboard now. Now this is a fretboard which you will play with your left hand, and this is your right hand which is used to play the rhythms. Rhythms how? See. If I'll go with the rhythm 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so I'll play 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is for your rhythm. Clear? And here is the major part which we use our 4 fingers to play the strings. So let's name the strings first. You all know that this is E, the top string. The top string near your chin is E. So this is E. Then tell me A. Then D, G, B, and now here from only with the one string we can create a note cycle. Now what is a note cycle? Note cycles is basically a combination of 12 notes. Combination of 12 notes with the different name. So then we can recognize what name of the note is that. Clear? Now starting with E, if I'll start with this E, the next note between this fret, you have to press this string with the help of your first finger here. Can you see? Here. Let me zoom to my fret now. Okay. Here. Is it visible? See. This is the top string, and I'm pressing this string here with the help of my first finger, that is 4 finger. So this is, so when I play the string without pressing on the fretboard, this is fretboard, then this is sounding E. Clear? If I'll press the string here on fret number 1, this is fret number 1, this is fret number 2, fret number 3, 4, and double dot is 5. Right? So when I'll press the string here, this will become F. See the change in sound? Got it? So this is become F. So now the string name has changed to F. If I'll slide my finger here on the second fret with the same finger, then this will become F sharp. What we call it? F sharp. Again slide, then G, then G sharp, then A, then A sharp, then B, then C, then C sharp, then D, D sharp, then E. So remember, we started with E and ended up with E. So the next double dot on your fretboard shows the 1 octave higher E. So this is lower E, this is higher E. Lower, higher, lower, higher. Clear? So let's revise the note cycle again. And this time I am giving you one practice also. What you need to do is to use your 4 fingers only with the first string, this top string, this one. Got it? So place the pick, make a finger like this, place your pick here and then press with your thumb. Remember, only this much it has to come out, right? And then which the top string, since we are talking about the top string, the first string of the guitar, so you have to strike that only the top string, no below that, right? So let's see. So this is E, F, then remember second fret, second finger, I'm using my second finger on the same string, F sharp, G, G sharp, got it? E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. After that what? G sharp. Put your finger back again. A sharp, B, C, A sharp, B, C, A sharp, B, C, A sharp, B, C. C clear? Now then, next four notes. Now what are the next four notes? C sharp, D, D sharp, E, C sharp, C, D sharp, E, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So I'm using all my four fingers here. And what is the role of the thumb here? Just see my thumb. Can you see the thumb? I'm holding so that it gives a strength to my fingers to press. Can you see the finger? I'm pressing with the help of this thumb. If I remove the thumb, I won't be able to press the string here, right? So this is the grip I'm using it. So let's start with the first string E and the note cycle with all the four fingers. So E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, then A sharp, B, C, then C sharp, D, D sharp. Clear? So this is your tutorial number 2. In the evening, when we are coming live, I want each one of you to show me the practice on the second string and find out all the notes till this double dots, right? So this is your homework till the evening. So what is the name of this second string? A, right? So when I'll press, this is open. When I'm playing this open, this sounds A. If I press this second string here, what would be the name? 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 If I press this note here, then what? Obviously, one general IQ question. What would be the name of the note on second string, that is A, when I'll press this on the fret number 12? Guess? In this video only I told you. See you in the next tutorial.